Introduction to PowerPoint 2016. Your instructors for this course are Tiandria Beasley Nelson, Trevor Corso, Jasmine Harris Speed, and Tissy Little. Your objectives for this module are to examine a PowerPoint window, to add new slide, add slide text, apply a design theme, compare presentation views, and to print a PowerPoint presentation. Let's start by examining the PowerPoint window. When you first open PowerPoint, what you will see first is your ribbon. Your ribbon appears as a row of labels, or what we call tabs. Notice that your Home tab, when it's selected, or any tab that's selected, will appear in a different color. In my case, it's in white. Next, let's look at the Home tab. The Home tab holds the cut and paste features, which is found here in your clipboard group. It also holds your font options, which is in your font group, your paragraph options, which is in your paragraph group, your drawing options, which is in your drawing group, and also your add-ins. It's used to help you organize your slides. Next, we have your Insert tab. Your Insert tab is used to add anything to a slide. This includes pictures, shapes, charts, links, text boxes, and video games. One of my favorite things to insert into a slide are your Smart Art graphics, which are located here. Next, you have Design. On the Design tab, you can add a theme or a color scheme or format the slide background. We'll explore the Design tab more when we get to creating a new slide. Next, you have your Transitions. Your transitions set up how your slides change from one to the next in the Transitions tab. You also have a gallery of possible transitions in the Transitions group, and this will be located here. If you drop click or right click this button here, or click this button here, then it will give you more options. Next, we have your Animations tab. You can use the Animations tab to choreograph the movement of things on your slide. Note that you can see many possible animations in the Animations gallery. Again, this is your Animations gallery here, and you can click this box or this arrow here, and you will be able to see more themes or more animation themes. Next, you have Slideshow. And the Slideshow tab is set up so that way you can see how you want to show your presentation to others. You can also record using your Slideshow tab, and also watch your presentation in Slideshow view. Next, you have your Review tab. Your Review tab lets you add comments, run spell check, or compare one presentation with another. Last, you have your View tab. Your View tab allows you to look at a presentation in different ways, depending on where you are in the creation or the delivery process. This is very important. Now we have the Quick Access toolbar. The Quick Access toolbar provides access to common commands such as save, undo, and save, file, undo, redo, spelling, or to customize the Quick Access toolbar, you would just click this drop down arrow here, and you can add or take away anything that you don't want on your Quick Access toolbar. My favorite function on the Quick Access toolbar is the undo button. As a matter of fact, it's my favorite function in PowerPoint or any Microsoft Office applications. Next, we have the status bar. The status bar is located at the bottom of the PowerPoint window. It shows messages about what you are doing and seeing in the PowerPoint, including which slide you are viewing and the design theme applied to the presentation. In addition, the status bar displays the zoom slider controls, the fit to slide to current window button, and the information on other functionalities such as signatures and permissions. Now, once we click out of the status bar off this slide, what we will do next is add a new slide. So I want to take it out of slideshow view. I will click here and I want to say in slideshow. So now what we want to do is create a new slide. So I want to go up here on my home tab to new slide and select new slide. You can also hit this drop down box and it'll give you the type of slides that you want to see. I don't want to do title slide. I want to do title. Let's try title and content. So on my title and content, once I select that format for my slide, I want to go in and I want to add text to the slide. So what I want to type here is summer adventure tour series. And this is how you create a new slide and add text. Also, in my subtitle text placeholder, I see some options here. I can insert a table, a chart, smart art graphic, and whenever you roll over, take your mouse over each icon, it will tell you exactly what you're looking at. So here we have the picture from a file. That's any file on your computer that you have. A picture from file, and insert a movie from file. So it's a lot of different things that you can do. But here, I just want to add text. So I want to type Canadian train tours. And I also want to make center it. So I will go to my home tab in my paragraphs group and select center. And this is how you create a new slide and add slide text. Next, what we want to do, we want to work on applying a design theme. So I want you to go to your design tab and notice that this slide is still selected, and this is your design menu, your gallery. And here, this is the drop down box that I mentioned. You can click this drop down box and it'll give you the different types of themes that PowerPoint already has set up. If you go over each theme with your mouse without clicking it, then it will tell you the name of each theme. For this theme, we chose office, but I want to show you what it looks like when you select another theme. So I'll select main event. When I select main event, notice that the background color changes, so does the font color, the font type. Everything changes once I change my design theme. You can also change the color of your design theme. You go to colors, and let's say if I wanted to do yellow orange. Notice that it changed my font colors and the background colors of the slide. So that's just how you apply a design theme. I personally like the first design theme, so to make it correlate with the rest of the presentation, I want to go back and hit undo. When you hit your undo button, notice that I went back into the original theme that we had. That's what I love about the undo button, that you can go in and correct simple mistakes. Next, we want to work on printing a PowerPoint presentation. When you print a PowerPoint presentation, you want to go up to your top and you're going to go to File. You're going to go down to Print. And notice that my printer, I selected my printer. I can select the different type of copies and which pages I would like. And then I hit Print. And that concludes our presentation. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and let us know if you have any questions. Have a great day.